Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup pumpkin only way. Start by choosing a small sugar pumpkin and preheat the oven to 400 degrees F. Roast until fully tender, scoop the flesh, then sauté onion and garlic in butter until soft. Add pumpkin, stock, and a bay leaf, simmer for 20 minutes, then puree until silky. Finish with a splash of cream, season to taste, and serve warm with a drizzle of olive oil. Choose simple ingredients for pumpkin soup to keep the flavor pure and balanced. Use 1 2 to 3 pound sugar pumpkin, 2 cups stock, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, and 2 tablespoons butter. Add 1/4 cup cream near the end and season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Include a bay leaf while simmering and finish with fresh herbs and toasted pumpkin seeds for extra texture. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresh-smelling car after grocery runs for soup ingredients, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It smells crisp and helps mask onion and garlic lingering in your car pocket. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a fresher drive. Now let's get back to the video. Start by cutting the pumpkin in half and remove seeds, then roast cut side down until tender about 35 minutes. Sauté onion and garlic in butter, add roasted pumpkin and 2 cups stock, plus a bay leaf, simmer for 20 minutes. Puree until smooth, return to pan, stir in 1/4 cup cream, adjust salt and pepper to taste, reheat gently, then ladle into bowls before serving and garnish with seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.